Did that all work? Fantastic. Okay, now the next part I want to do is we've told it it's going to be delimited, but as I said earlier, that symbol you use to separate the fields can be anything. So we now need to tell it which symbol we want to separate. Okay, so with that I go read jokes dot, and we now set our delimiters. You can actually have more than one here. And in brackets, now speech marks, you can in fact even change it and use a variable, but in this case we're just going to use some text to identify it, hence it's between the two speech marks, and I put a comma. Right, so what that will now do is it will say, okay, every time I come across a comma, that means you got a new field coming. Right. I also remember said that you can have more than one line, and that's the hidden character of the new line. So what I now need to do is we've delimited it and we've read the thing. We now need to take that line apart bit by bit. Now to do that, I'm going to use a variable called current row, and I'm going to declare it. So I'm actually going to go up to where my references are. You can declare it here. I think that's messy. Let's keep good programming practice, and I'm going to go declare in memory current row, as a string. So remember, string refers to a string of characters. It's another way of saying as text. So every time it reads a row, we're now going to be able to store that as current row, which we're going to do in a moment. So the next bit's quite complex, so this was a short one, but I'd like you to do that now. Don't forget to save and test. Away you go.